So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will give you every information about treeless grassland. So guys, before we start the video, please hit the subscribe and like button. So guys, first I will give you the basic info about grasslands. Grasslands are large plain of grass. They are found in the warm and dry places. In these areas, the rainfall is too little for the forest to grow, but just enough to prevent the land from turning into desert. Hence, there is a very few trees and bushes in the grassland. Most of grasslands are in temperate zone. So guys, now I have give you basic info about grassland. So guys, we start from the prairies. The prairies are vast stretch of gently sloping temperate grassland in North America. Basically, prairie is a French word which means grassland. Location: the prairie extends from Canada in the north to Mexico in south. It covers the whole of central USA. The land. The prairie were once covered with the thick wall, tall grasses. Today, these flat and fertile areas are biggest farming regions of the world. The Mississippi and the Missouri are two big rivers that flow through this region. Climate. In the prairies, winters are cold and summers are hot. Rainfall is moderate, about 252 to 70 centimeter, and occurs mostly in the summer season. Vegetation. A wide variety of plants grow in these grasslands. Trees are rare in prairie except along the river. Grass grows quickly during the spring season and changes to hay in autumn. Wildlife. The animals that live here have adapted themselves to the semi-arid climate. They can withstand very long summer and freezing cold winters. Look at the pictures of a few animals that live in the prairie. Economic activities. The prairie are actively cultivated. Corn, maize is cultivated in the eastern part and wheat in the central part. Cattle is reared in the western part. Farmers produce enough wheat for the whole country and also for exporting. That is why prairie called the wheat basket of the world. Other crops grown here are barley, rye, oats, lentils, mustard, peas, and beans. The prairie also have meat packing factories, dairy farms, and flour mills. Many minerals are found here. Lignite, coal, mineral oil, and natural gas are mined in large quantities. Gold, silver, and potash are also mined here. The ability of these minerals have led to the development of ore crushing factories and oil refineries. An extensive network of roads, railways, and canals in the region, coupled with industries, have made the prairie one of the most industrialized regions in the world. Life of the people. European settlers converted this huge grassland into farmland. An average farm here is spread over thousands of hectares. Farmers live without their families on the farm. Some workers or helpers also live in the farm. Homesteads are built for the farmers' families and for workers. The entire farm work of ploughing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, and winnowing and storing of food grains is done by machines. Food grain are stored in silos. Thus, only a few workers are needed to cultivate thousands of hectares of farmland. The open land towards west is hilly. The soil here is coarse and less fertile. In this region, animals are reared on large open area called ranches. Cattle is reared mainly for meat and milk. A large part of the total meat produced is consumed locally. The rest is exported. Many dairy farms have also been built. Most of them are situated near cities. Big dairy farms have modern facilities for processing milk. Machines have almost replaced manual labor in dairy farms as well. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Next video coming soon.